So my job for 24 hours was to not use any social networking technology, and which isn't too hard for me. I have a Facebook and I have a MySpace. I use text messaging, but I'm not one of those people who are doing it 24/7 all the time, constantly. So ironically, in a previous assignment, I talked about how I didn't think I was going to get a smartphone, and if, within the next 5 years, it was going to be forever until I finally got one. So a couple days before I decided to do my 24-hour assignment, I went to go get an upgrade on my phone. Turns out I could get a smartphone for free. So obviously I couldn't turn it down, got my smartphone. Weeks after my assignment, felt kind of foolish, but anyhow, I have it now and I totally love it. But it made this assignment so much harder. I had every type of social networking technology at my fingertips. And I had such a hard time not checking my notifications on my Facebook, and I was getting, all these text messages and a totally new keypad, and everything just amped up in technology. So to say the least, I failed, probably because of this phone. But it would have definitely been hard for me not to text on my old phone, my boring old phone. But super easy not to check Facebook. So it was definitely a lot harder than I thought. And the only time I checked it was when I wanted to play with my phone and use it for that purpose. So it was definitely hard, but I did it, mostly, somewhat.